Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Today in Common Analytes, we will be discussing calcium, which is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in our body. Let's delve into its functions, the reasons why it is measured, typical reference values, and the implication of abnormal calcium levels. Additionally, we will explore foods that are rich in calcium to help maintain optimal levels in the body. Description: Calcium is essential for several key functions in our body. Number 1. Bone formation. Calcium is the primary mineral required for the growth, strength, and maintenance of bones. Number 2. Blood clotting. It plays a significant role in the clotting process, which prevents excessive bleeding when injuries occur. Number 3. Nerve and muscle function. Calcium helps with the transmission of nerve signals and the contraction of muscles. These functions underscores why maintaining the right levels of calcium is so important. Calcium levels are often measured as a part of screening test. Why? Because calcium is tightly regulated in the body and maintained within a narrow range. Significant deviations can indicate a variety of underlying metabolic problems. Monitoring calcium levels can help identify these issues early, allowing for prompt interventions. For healthy adult, the reference intervals for calcium are 8.6 to 10.3 mg per dl or 2.15 to 2.50 mmol per liter. It's important to note that small fluctuation outside this range can have significant health implications, highlighting the importance of proper calcium regulation. Abnormal calcium levels can arise from a variety of conditions. For example, reasons for increased calcium means hypercalcemia may be due to hyperparathyroidism, certain type of cancers, or excessive intake of vitamin D. And reasons for decreased calcium means hypocalcemia might be due to hypoparathyroidism, vitamin D deficiency, chronic kidney diseases, and pancreatitis. Now let's look at some of the best foods that are rich in calcium to include in your diet. Dairy products, for example milk, cheese and yogurt, leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds, for example almonds, chia seeds and sesame seeds, fish and legumes, for example tofu, white beans and chickpeas, and some fortified foods, for example orange juice, plant-based milks and cereals. Daily goal: Adults need 1000 to 1300 mg per day of calcium intake. In summary, calcium is more than just a mineral. It is integral to our overall health, influencing our bones, blood, nerves, and muscles. By monitoring calcium levels, we can identify and address potential metabolic issues early. Thank you for your attention, and I am happy to answer your question you might have.